Okay, what we're going to do now is open a PDF in Salesforce and also show you how to make notes in Salesforce. So if you've got a PDF already downloaded, then it will be in your Files tab. So from the home page, search for Files and click on that. Now all you need to do, if you can see the actual PDF you've already got, then you can just open it from there. If you can't find it, then you just have to search for it in here, and then it will come up and you'll be able to click on it. So what I'll do, I'll just click on that, and as you can see, it opens up the preview for you. You can download it from here, and you can put it into full screen mode as well, so you can actually see it in a bit more detail. So that's how you actually open a PDF. For notes, again, you would, from the home page, you would go to the tab here from notes, and this will show you your recently viewed. You can see all of the ones that you've got as your notes, but if you want a new one, you just click new, and then you just from there put whatever note you want to be in, and it's as simple as that. Once it's all filled out, you just click add to records, and if you've got a particular lead or a contact that you want it to be done, this has got leads here, but if you want to change the object, you can go from here. So leads, campaigns, opportunities, and anything you want to add it to, you can go from there. But once it's done and you've added it in, you just click done, and that will be sorted.